Hello everybody, this is Young Bro. Today we are learning how to cook a Brazilian style shrimp soup dish, which is called Vatapa in Portuguese. Now let's look at the ingredients for this dish. Firstly, we need shrimp. Shrimp is low in calories but rich in nutrients. We also need tomato sauce. Tomato sauce is good for blood pressure. Furthermore, we need onion. Onion is high in vitamins, minerals, as well as antioxidants. Apart from these ingredients, we also need bell pepper, garlic, pepper, salt, rice, water, coconut milk, parsley, as well as oil. This is coconut milk. This is salt. This is bell pepper. This is garlic. This is pepper. This is shrimp. This is onion. This is tomato sauce. This is rice. This is parsley. And this is just plain water. That's all the ingredients we need. Now just pour the oil into the pan. Put the garlic in. Put the onions in. And then also put the bell pepper in. Wait a few minutes for the oil to get hot, and then just cook it for a while. Now just pour the tomato sauce in. We also need to pour the water in. Perhaps we need a little bit more water. Put the rice in. Apply the pepper. And also put the salt in. We need to cook it for about 20 or 30 minutes or so. Now put the rest of the ingredients in. The coconut milk. Give it a little bit of stir. Wait until the color is relatively even. And then put the shrimp in. Parsley. Again, just stir it around. We need to wait for another 10 minutes or so. Now it's ready. It looks quite pretty. And should taste nice.